Is there something that you'd like to say about freedom of spirit that I haven't already asked you about? Something that you think it's really important to say?
Yes, there is. I would say that get in touch and remember that they are mind, body, and spirit. Then, for most people, it will give them a sense of purpose and a comfort that they may have maybe not realized, but was missing in their life. And I think we each owe it to ourselves to live the lives that we were meant to live and to make sure that we are doing that and we're on our path and it's the path we want to be on and not that we feel other people or other situations have put us on. If we take a moment to look within and make sense of everything that's going on, we can just check that we are on the path that we want to be more easily than if I think somebody maybe hasn't been on the workshop.
Yeah. Thank you.